they had a gold medal for 80s music trivia, you might win
Then
that.
I would be
an
undisputed, like I'd be the Michael Phelps
we
of
might
that.
challenge.
Well, we'd be good against
But that'd be a good team, yeah. I have to say, though, the Kraken are undefeated when I go to a game.
Oh, you went last night.
Yeah,
how was it?
So awesome, actually. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, hockey in person is phenomenal, as everybody says, and the new arena is great, too.
Yeah.
So,
I always say, in part because it's so cold for the ice, it keeps your energy level up because you're always cold. You're always ready to go.
For sure, yeah. No, it was a fun experience. So, if anybody wants to send me to a game, they'll probably win. But cool that they raised that banner last night, too. Yeah. Here's a look now at our weather forecast, which is the purpose of me being here right now. And we can see that out of Kitsap Peninsula, not much wind here right now. We do have still some wind a little further north of here, Whidbey Island, and further north into the San Juans and out on the coast. But you can see there at Hansville, looking pretty good. Right now in Seattle, 52 degrees. You have winds south-southwest around 11 miles an hour. There's a little bit of a ripple there behind the ferries as they're getting ready to take off. Current temperatures in the region, 54 in Renton, 54 also in Shelton, same for Oak Harbor. The next 12 hours in Tacoma look like this. See, most everybody is staying dry right now, but the rain does return later on this afternoon into the early evening. You can see by 6 o'clock, that's when we'll get some rain moving into the Tacoma area, and then it's going to be a pretty wet and windy day for us tomorrow. Yesterday, we did get to 56 degrees, the average high of 57, and that record back in 1998 when it was 65 degrees. This is the radar over the last few hours. Not much happening in the way of rain. There is a little bit of rain shadows moving in and out there, as you can see, but this is going to show the future cast by today at 6 o'clock. You can see South Puget Sound and that Tacoma area getting some rain along the coast as well, but we advance it overnight into 10 o'clock tonight, and you can see it's moving up a little north there. You can see into the convergence zone. Olympic Peninsula going to be very rainy, and then by tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., you're going to have a pretty wet commute, so expect that if you are going to be commuting tomorrow morning. And then all day tomorrow, it's just going to continue, and we're going to see some breezy conditions as well. But then take a look at what happens by Friday at 4:30 in the morning, and then it moves out and actually gets clear by Friday afternoon. So that's going to be nice to have those clear skies Friday afternoon. The wind right now, you can see it's not as bad as we've had over the last couple of days, that's for sure. We have Friday Harbor, the south wind of 9 miles an hour, south-southwest out at Quileute at 8 miles an hour. Some of the heaviest winds are going to be at Boeing Field, as you can see here, and up near Everett as well. Let's take a look at the forecasted high temperatures throughout the nation today. You can see Seattle at 53, but there's Kansas City at 58, Houston at 80 degrees, 68 over in the nation's capital. Here's a look at Mount Rainier at Paradise, socked in a little bit. They have a rain-snow mix expected there. Hurricane Ridge socked in there a little bit as well. In your mountain forecast, like I mentioned, we do have that rain-snow mix, but the freezing level, snow level at 4,500 feet. Still some gusty winds in the mountains as well. And your extended forecast looks like this. That rain is returning this late afternoon into the evening. 53 is our forecasted high temperature today. A little warmer tomorrow, but really a lot of heavy rain. And then it starts to clear out by Friday afternoon. And take a look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 days on there that we just see some sunshine. So, and dry conditions, Steve.
All right. Maybe my flag football team over the weekend with my little kid will have a chance.